Okay, so we've got our 355 or whatever convertible seat position sensor here. This is a rod that I use to drive these things with to test them manually. This is a ohm meter, obviously. Excuse me. We broke the glass off. It still works fine. Okay, so the center pole on these, the yellow wire, is common, and then either the black or red on either side is the resistance. So as you watch me turn this thing here, the resistance, the needle of the resistance is across the board and then goes all the way to down. Now, because this is a progressive geometric change in resistance, you can see it has most of its operation initially, and then the final amount of the operation is right up at the end. Now that we've reached the end, the clutch comes into play. I continue to spin it in that direction, but the clutch slips. That's why this thing is self-calibrating, and it works. So once again, we'll take her back down the opposite direction to 0 in an exponential reading of the needle. A little turn does a lot more when you get to the end. Now, I'm going to change our contacts over to the other side. And that should be okay, and yes it is. Obviously it was at 0 because this has ascending and descending resistance opposing each other. It brought us right back up to the main calibration. Now, am I turning it the right direction? I'm turning it in the direction now for the clutch to slip. Yes, and it doesn't go any further, which is great. Now we turn it back the other direction. And again, our exponential change of resistance all the way down to 0 in the end. So obviously this thing is totally functional. And that's our story, and we're sticking to it.